The G major scale on saxophone. So in order to play the G major scale, we need to look out for one note that is actually altered. So we're going to start by looking at the fingerings, and after that, we're going to play together. So get your saxophone ready, and let's go through the fingerings first. So starting from low G, it's going to be this fingering. So it's B, A, G, these three main keys. Moving up from G, it's going to be G to A, to B, to C, and from C you move to D with octave key, and that's 3 fingers in your left hand, 3 fingers in your right hand, and you add the octave key, which is your left thumb here on the back. So D with octave key, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and octave key on the back. And moving from D, you move up to E, to F sharp. So not F, it's going to be F sharp, the middle key of these 3 keys, and then you end up on the G. So one more time, from G without octave key, no thumb on the back, A, B, C, and now D with octave key, E with octave key, F sharp with octave key, and G with octave key. Okay, so I hope you're up for it, because now we're gonna play this together. So get your saxophone ready, finger that G note without octave key, and let's do this together. Okay, fairly slowly, but this way you get to work through the fingerings alongside me. So here we go, starting with that G, 3 fingers. Okay, so now you know the notes going from low G to high G, but what about playing from high G back down to low G? It's the same fingerings, but it's gonna feel a little bit different. So let's do that together as well. I'm just gonna quickly walk through the fingerings one more time. Now from high G, moving down to low G. So we're gonna start with G with the octave key pushed in. So it's gonna be G with octave key, F sharp with octave key, E with octave key, D with octave key. Now C without octave key, B without octave key, A without octave key, and land on G without octave key. All right, I hope you're up for it. Get that G with the octave key fingering ready, and we're gonna play together starting now. Alright, there you have it. Now you can play the scale, and make sure to download the PDF guide that covers all 12 major scales on your saxophone. There's a link below this video. That way you can work through all 12 major scales on your sax, and that will help you a lot as you continue on your saxophone journey. But that's it for now. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in another video.